If I could, I'd just let you stare at it for the next couple minutes, but I gotta tell you about it because I think it'll be even more impressive after you've heard. So this is the HP Envy 32 all-in-one. We'll start with the display. It's 32 inches, it's 4K, and it's HDR. Just look at this. It's vivid, it's bright, it looks amazing. Flanking that display are some really thin bezels that actually keeps the profile of this pretty small. And then on top here, you've got this invisible webcam that just clicks up and clicks back down. So you have this seamless top bezel. Now, the beauty doesn't just stop at the display. The entire package just looks gorgeous. Because under this display, you've got this gray fabric material, and under that is a gray wooden base. On the back, you've got this smooth resin. So HP really thought about what materials it wanted to put on this and just created this really elegant package. You know, if you've got a really nice space, this will fit in perfectly. If your apartment maybe isn't so nice, this will make it look even better. Beyond the display, the other big thing about this all-in-one are the speakers. So underneath, you've got all the speakers hidden beneath this fabric. Even in this really loud room, it sounded amazing. Now, you're not always going to be on your all-in-one when you're listening to music. So when you just want to hang out on the couch or play with your smartphone, you can turn off the display, turn off the all-in-one, then connect to the speaker via Bluetooth and pump out audio on your phone, even when this is off. Another really great feature is that underneath the all-in-one on the base is a wireless charging pad where you can charge your smartphone. You just plop it on here and your smartphone starts charging. Another feature that includes your smartphone is that you can place it here on this keyboard, connect it via Bluetooth, and then using these hotkeys, just switch between Bluetooth devices. So if I'm texting someone, I just press 1 for the all-in-one or 2 for the smartphone and just continue typing between the two devices. Now on the inside, you've got some serious power. The Envy 32 all-in-one is powered by a 9th gen, up to a 9th gen Intel Core i7 processor. And the GPU, here's where things get really interesting, goes all the way up to an NVIDIA RTX 2080 Max-Q. Yes, that means you can play the latest video games at the highest graphics settings on this all-in-one. So between the display, the incredible power it has, and these beautiful materials, we're super excited about HP's Envy 32. We're really excited to get it into review, which should be happening pretty soon because the HP Envy will be available in January, starting at $1899. So this has been Philip Tracy for all things HP, laptops, all-in-ones, or monitors, and everything CES 2020. Stay here at Laptop Mag.